Hello Kayami! Welcome to my channel!
Today, I will be making healthy lugaw with oatmeal. Healthy because usually in making lugaw, they are using glutinous rice, and sticky rice contains more carbohydrates compared to oatmeal.
If you want to know how I make this healthy and tasty lugaw with oatmeal, please stay tuned and I will show you how I make it.
Let's start by heating water in a pot. Then season the washed chicken with salt and pepper. Then set it aside. In a different pot, heat the oil. While the oil is not yet hot, immediately add the garlic and the ginger and saute in low heat setting until aromatic. Then add the onions. Saute until wilted and season with freshly ground pepper and fish sauce. After adding the fish sauce, please do not stir or else your soup will be taste fishy. When the strong fishy odor evaporated, then you can add the seasoned chicken and saute good until become light brown. Then add the ordinary rice. Saute the rice until the grains breaks. Then add the oatmeal. Saute good the rice and the oatmeal to absorb all the flavors of the ginger, garlic, and onions. After a good saute, then add the room temperature water and chicken powder. When the rice is cooked half done, then add the hot water from the pot that we heat at the beginning and cook the rice before adding all the hot water for the lugaw. While I'm waiting the rice to cook, I'm adding the kasubha or safflower to the rest of the hot water. Back to the pot of the Arroz Caldo, regularly stir the rice in order to have a good texture. Then add the rest of the hot water with kasubha or safflower to the pot. And to enhance the chicken flavor, I added chicken cubes. After 30 minutes of cooking in low heat, I added toasted garlic and green onions. I leave some for the toppings.
So tasty! Good!
Here's my healthy arroz caldo, topped with egg and fried tofu. Yummy! Let's eat kayami with this healthy arroz caldo. Best to serve pair with fried side like lumpia. Yum! This is good, guys. Please try it. Good for cold season. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and please consider to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!